Can you also run this meeting in Teams? Well, it depends. We are hired to facilitate interactive and creative workshops. For us, the process of choosing the right platform for your online meeting isn't any different than choosing the room or the venue for an in-person meeting. We choose this space very consciously. For an in-person meeting, we would ask ourselves and our clients, how many people fit in your space? Is the building accessible for externals? Are there breakout rooms? Is there daylight? Can we move the tables around? Can we use the walls? Are there flip charts, markers? Can we drink coffee in the room? We don't always use the standard meeting room down the hall, do we? So why do we often choose the default room for our online meetings? From now on, consider the following. Look at this list of questions as your software features. And the space? Well, that's your online conference platform. Remember this, some meetings deserve a different meeting space, also virtually. You want to know how to start? Download our checklist in the link below. Hope this helps. Cheers.